Wanna know how to make sweet, yummy bananas? Check out. Hi guys, I cooked some bananas and I realized that I want to warm them up. So sometimes you can just warm them up directly on the pan, or you can cook them and make them into mashed matoke. So I just want to show you how I'll do my mashed matoke so that I can enjoy the meal. So this is when you're trying to warm the bananas that are already cooked. Thank you for subscribing. Just check out and don't forget to subscribe. What you need is the cooked bananas. You need some milk, and this milk is used to enrich the bananas, and then you need some margarine. So what we'll do, the bananas are already cooked, so they have soup, so I don't want to carry over the soup. We'll take the soup separately, we'll warm it up separately. So I'll try and put all the bananas in the sufuria, in the pan. I'll put that on. So there we are, we put it in the pot, and all we need to do is to wait for it to warm up a bit so that we can be able to break the bananas into pieces. So you know it's harder breaking them down into pieces when the bananas are cold from the fridge. So we just give it some time for it to warm up so that we can start cooking the bananas. You use this cooking stick so that we can crush them into a mix. So to enrich the bananas, instead of putting water so that it's sweet, put in some milk and you give it time. Let's put in some milk. We give it time. So we are enriching the bananas so that they can be sweet. So we give it time for it to warm up. So there we are. Our bananas are taking shape. So we just want to soften them. That's why I put in some milk. Lower the heat so that it doesn't stick to the pan. So all you can do is to keep breaking the bananas slowly by slowly into small pieces. Add in some margarine so that it can give a nice flavor. And give it a very nice sweet aroma. Hey guys, the thing, as I do this, people, please subscribe so that you can get more recipes. The margarine has melted in and it's smelling so nice. So you see, these bananas are now ready for eating. They're ready, I can serve them. So we can use the same soup as the gravy for the bananas, or if you have meat soup, you can use the same. So the gravy, pour it into a microwave friendly container so that we don't waste it. Put it in the microwave. Give it 2 minutes. Our soup is warm and ready. So let's just pour. Guys, we're ready for the meal. The meal is ready. Don't forget to subscribe. This is an easy way to warm your bananas. Looking very yummy. I'm ready for lunch. Click the notification bell, subscribe. Bye.